So I said last time that we're going to talk also about the accusative case, and there's another use to the accusative case that's really, really important. It's what we call accusative of place to which. So anytime that you are going towards someplace, you're going to put that place in the accusative case. And it uses a couple of prepositions in Latin. We can use the preposition ad, meaning to or toward, or we can use the preposition in, meaning into, like you're entering into a place. And then the word that follows that is in the accusative case. All right, so let's take an example sentence here. Maybe we have Regina ad insulam navigat at, I'm going to leave a little bit of space here, so I might well leave 2 or 3 lines of space, at servo pecuniam donat. So we've got kind of a long sentence this time. All right, so this time actually let's go through and figure out the cases of all the words. So if you know your noun endings, you know the a of Regina is nominative singular coming out of first declension. We have insulam, which is accusative singular, again out of first declension. We have servo, which is dative singular, coming out of second declension. And then we've got pecuniam, which is another accusative singular, looks just like insulam, also out of first declension. All right, well, we know that Regina, she's the subject, she's nominative, she's doing something here. So what do we have? We have the queen. And I like to stop before the et. That's a nice break. So here's my verb. Here's my first verb to deal with. What is she doing? The queen sails. Well, pretty obviously the only thing left is ad insulam, to the island. Or you could say toward the island. The queen sails to the island and gives what money to the slave. And what you notice is we got the word to twice in the English, but those are really different uses of the word to, and Latin makes those uses very, very clear. Notice that this to the island is translating an accusative expression placed to which. This to the slave, is translating servo, just that one dative case word. So on the English side of things, to can translate accusative of place to which. It can also translate the dative case for the indirect object. And the difference is place to which really shows some kind of big motion. You're sailing towards something. You're running into something. All right, so there's big physical motion involved. Indirect object, well, that's more used for words like showing. I showed something to my friend. Giving, I gave something to my mother, something along those lines. So that's what's going on with accusative of place to which and dative of indirect object.